I said, who did it? WHO. Now you know the ledge.
So you're telling me you've never had your heart broken before?
Never, so I hope you ain't planning on breaking it.
Who's this new guy you came here with?
He's just a friend, Mom.
Just a friend? Does Denzel know about him?
Knock knock, baby girl, you ready?
You're getting a deluxe package of true love and romance, and you throw it away like that?
Never spend the night if you don't have to.
Just get the hell out of my house.
What are you doing back here?
I want you to give me a second chance, so we can make things right again.
Everything is all about psychology. You see, once you understand that, a girl can't play with you like you're a fool, dog.
You try to play me where you got played. Let me tell you this, man. I'm not the man who know the man. I'm the real fucking man.
All you do is just bitch and complain about small, silly shit.
You don't spend any quality time with me.
What's done is done. This is your chance to do the right thing.
You know from when you look for you. Let me say that again. One thing. Please, man, don't kill me, man.
My grandfather used to say,
One pom pom alone till cocky.